Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to buy XRP on Coinbase. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is log into your Coinbase app, or if it is website, just go to the coinbase.com, then sign into your account. Then after that you have to tap on your profile icon at the top left for the app, and for the website just click on your profile and go to settings, then click on payment method, then add bank account or credit card or PayPal based on the availability of your region. Then after that, go to the trading page. So to do that, on the app, tap trading, tap trade at the bottom. Then if it is on the website, click on buy and sell in the top menu, then search for XRP. So to do that, in the search bar, type in the XRP and select it from the list of assets. Then enter the amount of XRP you want to buy, or the amount of your local currency you wish to spend. Then review the exchange rate and any applicable fee. Then select your preferred payment method. For example, you can simply use a bank account. So bank accounts usually lower fee, but processing may take longer. Then if it is credit and debit card, it's instant purchase with higher fee. Then after that, review the transaction details carefully, then tap on buy now or preview buy on the website, then confirm the purchase to complete the transaction. Then after that, go to the asset, which is all your portfolio, to see your XRP balance. And that's a simple step-by-step guide to buy XRP on Coinbase. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.